How to add phone number to Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, you can open up any of your Gmail account. Now I'm going to tap on the Play Store application and tap on my profile at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on manage your Google account option over here below your email address. Now it will take you to your Google account page over here. Here you can see different options. So just make sure that you tap on the personal info application or the option over here. As you do that, scroll down and then tap on the phone option that's available over here. As you do that, here you'll be able to see the option of add now over here. So tap on add now. And as you tap on add now, you can just use the number that you want to associate with your Gmail account and then tap on next and then tap on next again, and after entering your number you'll be able to add phone number to your Gmail account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.